Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 26. The inverse of matrix n, which is equal to a 2 by 2 matrix of 2, 3, 1, 4 is, now we have option A, option B, option C, and option D. Now, for us to find the inverse of matrix n, we need to know what the determinant of n, that is the value of n, since n is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. And that will be equal to 2 multiplied by 4 minus 3 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equals to 5. Now the inverse of n is equals to 1 all over n into, now there's a law guiding what this inverse of a matrix. Now during inverse of a matrix, this diagonal here switch what position, that is, instead of having 2 here, you have 4, and then you have 2 here. Then this other diagonal changes sign. Since it's positive 3 here, it become minus 3, and since it's positive 1 here, it become minus 1. So this will be equals to n is 5, so that is 1 all over 5 into 4 minus 3 minus 1, 2. And this is the answer to this question, and that is what option B. Option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.